4th century was an amazing period in the history of Christianity. It becomes the official religion of the whole Roman Empire, and monasticism is founded. The first monk is in Egypt, Megas Antonius. But in this region, a person called Charitun is the founder of monasticism in the Judean desert. Legend says that he passes by in this area, Prat or Wadi Qelt, and attacked by robbers, and yet miraculously he survives, and he decides to reside, to live in this area in one of the caves. His sanctity draws followers, and eventually a monastery is formed, the monastery of Faran. Today this whole area is in a beautiful nature park with live water, and the monastery itself is reactivated by a Russian monk, and so it belongs to the Russian Pravoslavic order. The site can be a destination just for recreational activity. There are some beautiful pools with fish in the water, and you can also do hikes in the nature park and its vicinity in this beautiful special landscape just 15 minutes away from Jerusalem.